Hello again, everyone. Today I'm here with a small unboxing from Yoseka Stationery. I've already taken out the ink from its wrapping, and as you can see, it is a Sailor numbered ink. It is the 970, and I'm going to swatch this for you today after I've opened this one. So let's go ahead and get in here. They always include really beautiful washi tape on all of their packaging, and I try to save it so that I can put it in my bullet journal or reuse it in some way. Okay, and they also always include a little note. Let's see, so here's some stickers. Okay. And this item is sort of a home item. It's not really something to be carrying around. So this is a 2021 calendar. I was looking for a calendar that we could put in our kitchen. Every year we have a very small space. We have like a little wall divider that has a very small wall space, and I'm always looking for smaller calendars to fit in that space every year. Last year I got a handmade calendar off of Etsy, and then this year I'm going to be using this one, and I will open it and show you. It's really, it's not sealed in any way. Just undo it. It is sealed on the side here. I didn't see it. Let me get some scissors. And normally we're using a monthly calendar or something like that in the kitchen, but this is a daily calendar. Oh, I probably should have just taken that off. The stickers are always super affixed. Yeah, put those away. So, and it is wrapped, and I won't do the final unwrapping, but it is a daily calendar, and then it has a little hanger up here at the top. And it has all different moon phases on each individual day, and then it also has a little quote, something space related, I believe. Let's see. Well, here it says, Moon, Stars, History of Universe. The calendar takes you to the Sky View Lounge, which should be fun. So I'm looking forward to using that. And I didn't even know they carried this. I just did a little search for calendars, and this is what came up. And I did want to kind of use something different this year, so this fit the bill. All right. So let's see. I mean, no, I won't unwrap it because I don't want to let it get damaged before I end up using it. So just know that they have these. There's little quotes on each page. I will put a link to this below, and there's actually some pictures of the individual calendar pages. And I kind of want to be surprised too as I'm coming across them day to day. So let me put that aside up here, and then I'm going to swatch this ink. Real quick though, I'm going to read this little note. So it says, Dear Mystery, thank you for your order. We hope you are well. We are very excited to be writing you and shipping your package from our new shop. So they did move. They're located in Brooklyn, I think, and I'm not sure if they just moved to a different shop in Brooklyn or how that worked. The calendar, they're talking about the calendar is so beautiful. We didn't get as many as we ordered, so I'm extra glad you got one of them. Okay, that's good. I do try to get those a little bit early so that I can have one ready for when the new year comes. I'm really hoping that 2021 is a much better year than 2020. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. That's my hope anyway. So let's put all those stickers there, and then let's go ahead and get into this ink here. And I've showed, oh no, I don't think I have showed actually different numbered inks here. So I do have another sample in my Swatch book, which I will show you. I have that off to the side. And they always include little stickers to label your converter with what ink you have in there, which is kind of handy. I'm going to put that aside, and then I'm going to put it in the ink swatch book so that I don't lose it. And then they often have this little booklet here. They tell you how to load up a pen, and then they also give you the other colors in the collection. So this is a huge color collection, and although it's nice to have all these colors here, it's really hard to get an accurate depiction because so many of the inks have different qualities. Like some of them are sheening, some of them are shading. None of them are shimmer, as far as I know, in the numbered series, but I would say the majority of these are just beautiful inks. Most of the ones that I've seen have just wonderful qualities, and this is just a particular color that I was interested in when I saw it. It's impossible to get all of these bottles of ink, and I'm sure not all of them would be my speed, but I do plan to keep this little booklet in my swatch book as well, although I think I may already have one, so let me double check that before I put that in there. So here is my fountain pen ink swatch book. I will put a link below to this setup so that you can see what all is in here. But I'm not going to go into the setup today. I am just going to swatch the ink. Let's see. So it looks like I have a couple of other numbered here. So 653 is one of the most recent ones that I got. And I'm trying to see if I did keep the... I'm not seeing it in here, so I'm just going to put this one in here for now, and then if I find it later, I'll take it out so I don't have a duplicate. So here, this one, I've included an extra sticker there. I got one from Van Ness Pens. And then let's see where I can go ahead and swatch this ink for you. I'm also going to try and find the other numbered inks so that I can show that one to you. It's probably at the end here. Let's see. Yes, so this is Sailor Ink Studio 653. That is another recent one that I purchased. It's really, really beautiful. It's sort of a pinkish purple, and it has some green sheen there, as you can see. It's a really beautiful ink, and I have that in a couple of pens right now. So I have one spot left here, so I'm going to go ahead and test this one out. I have my automatic pen and my glass pen here. These tools are detailed in the video that I'm linking below to my setup here. I often get asked about this automatic pen. It is a 3A size, and there is a link to where you can get this pen on the setup video, so I'll just refer you to that. And let's go ahead and get started here. I also have some water off to the side so that I can rinse my tools off. I'm not going between inks, so it's going to be a little bit easier today. But I do have a glass of water off here to rinse it off, and a paper towel as well to dry these tools off. So let's go ahead and get in here. So this is sort of a green goldish color, and I didn't have anything like it in my collection, so I was kind of excited about that. It was out of stock. Oh, you can see in the lid, it's really pretty. It was out of stock for a while, and then it came back in stock at Yoseka, and then you can get free shipping with $35 purchase, I believe, and I wanted to get up to the $35, so I was looking for calendars at the time, and that's why I ended up with the daily calendar. All right, so let's go ahead and dip in here with this automatic pen. And then I'm going to do the swatch down here, and after I'm done, I will show this to you closer up. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. I feel like I have been on sort of a green, gold, and purple kick for almost all things, art supplies and fountain pen inks. So I've definitely been consistent in my color preference lately. Okay, so I'm just drying off that automatic pen, rinsing it off, and then drying it off, because I don't want it to rust, and I don't want there to be ink left in there for the next time when I sample an ink. Okay, so that's all done. And then I'll get my automatic pen, or I'm sorry, my glass pen, dip into the ink here, and then I'm just going to do similar, and this is Sailor Ink Studio 970. Okay, and I have not yet been able to figure out the numbering system, if there's some sort of rhyme or reason to why certain things are called what they are. If you all know, please let me know. I really don't know what their numbering system is. I assume they have one. They definitely seem pretty organized that way. So I'll close this bottle up and then I will show you this ink sample up close. And it dries pretty quick here in my dry environment, so you'll pretty much be able to see what it is going to look like dry. And it has some beautiful shading. And the 653 up above has both sheen and shading. I think that this one here is only a shading ink. I don't think there's any sheen to it, but it definitely has some different concentrations of ink as you go through the words here. So, all right. It reminds me a little bit of Gold Antica, actually. Let me see if I can find, oh, here, it's right here. So Gold Antica is a little bit darker, but I would say that they're, you know, kind of like cousins here. All right. Well, that's it for today. Feel free to like and or subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. All right, thanks so much. Bye.